Ready? Aloha kako. Let's check your air layers for your Puakenikini that you made last year. Yes, yes, delightful. Let's check this one over here. Come, have a look, have a look. So as you can see, normally it would look something like this, but because you cut the bark and you sent the message to the tree to make roots, this is actually what happened. Whoa! Pretty cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel off the foil and we're gonna look at the root base. Notice how these roots are really, really happy and healthy and growing really, really well. We're gonna kind of just tease away the foil best we can. We're not gonna get everything, we're gonna do the best we can. And then, oh, you can see some active growth over here. There's some white roots on this side. You guys see all those? That looks really good. That's your peat moss that you guys put on from last time. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a saw. Take a saw, and we're just gonna cut just above our root layer. We're gonna try to keep as many roots as we can. Yeah, I know there's gonna be some oily parts, but we're gonna do the best we can, like you said. Yeah. We're gonna score. We're gonna score this part. Okay. And then we're gonna come on the other side and we're gonna cut this. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna take this part, we're gonna try to remove as much of the foil as we can, because we don't want to really plant foil. Yeah, just put this down for now. And you see all the active growth in there. Woo! This one's ready. Okay, and then we'll put this in a pot. And looks a little like wild right now, that's for sure. Okay, so what we can do is we're just gonna put this in a pot. We'll put as much soil as we can in the pot. And then once we add all the soil to the top, remember, because there's a lot of air within the soil, it's really puffy right now. And once it soaks up with water, the soil level will actually drop down. Get a buddy to help you to hold this, and you're gonna trim the branches quite a bit. This one is not so happy right now, so we're gonna trim this one. Use the appropriate trimmer. Sometimes loppers work pretty good. And then at this point, we can kind of trim this up. I would say this is pretty safe to trim. And then notice there's lots of green growth still. Yeah, it means it's still alive, still happy and healthy. And then we're gonna trim it probably about to here or so. Yeah, and then that way your tree will still have a chance to grow, get its root ball established. And as you can see, there's still a lot of really green growth underneath the primary bark layer. And if you take care of this long enough or well enough, keep the soil moist, add enough compost, baby, and yeah, you should be seeing sprouts pretty soon.